What's up, guys? This is Christina Nyirahamana. On this channel we share clean with me, cook with me, what is on sale, or shop with me. There are so many things, encouragement, the word of God. So now, as you can see in this video, we're gonna clean this fridge from the freezer here, and then fridge, and then above there. So sorry guys, is that the bad boy was making noise and messing everywhere. So now we're gonna remove everything from there. Who have a fridge like this is annoying to put things inside. So we're gonna remove everything and we clean it. So as you can see, here was meat, as you can see was dirty. So I'm gonna use what the heck on my fingers, water and vinegar to clean this. So let's do it together. Even you cannot take it out. That is a problem for this, because this fridge is stuck between this cupboard and that wall. So to clean it is so difficult. So we're gonna use the paper towel. Sometimes I use a Vim to make it more clean, but we're gonna use this bucket to put all these small pieces like this avocado, this broccoli can go in here, this strawberry also can go here, so it doesn't fall all over the place. This fish, when you clean your freezer like this, you know what you have. So when it's time to go for shopping, you know what to buy. So this one I put it here. This cannot fit there. Just put these boxes. Yeah. This can go to the bucket. This can fit here. I have the turkey breast, ground turkey, ground beef. Look at my things up here. And this fruits can also go here. This one is gonna go on the door here. Look, I didn't know that I have these 2 bags of peas. I'll put them here so I can know that I have them. One side. And another turkey, no, chicken breast. So it's gonna go with this tofu and another fried beans. So as you can see, there's a big space. I may go in the deep freezer when I'm done this and bring some stuff to fill this one, because this one is in the kitchen. It's gonna help me. And meat, beef. So this one is done. Now it's time to go down here. So now this is my fridge, not freezer. Also, I'm gonna remove everything. Then we clean it together. So as you can see, you need deep clean. Normally I like when I take out this and wash it in the sink, but cannot come out because stuck between the walls. But I'm gonna use vinegar and water, hot water. Let's do it. So we're gonna use this vinegar and water. Okay. Pull forward. I'm gonna let soak it for a few minutes, because you can see it doesn't come out. Or let me use a sponge. And thank you so much for my fans from USA, Canada, India, South Africa, Germany, Philippines, New Zealand, I think. Now it's time to put everything back. We'll start with our eggs. I have to put it here. And then the eggs. Oatmeal. Gonna go next to it. There's some food I'm gonna put in the freezer. Another oatmeal. Gonna go up. Margarine. Go next to breakfast. So these beans, I'm gonna put it. This is what margarine. I thought middle here. Yeah. Here. Another food is gonna go here too. So this is done. This one is gonna go on the second level. This one too. This one is already frozen from the fridge. Now, yeah, it was too high, that's why. Another beans in the middle. Not gonna fit there. Watermelon can go in here. Can you fit? Yes. This one, I think it's gonna go here on the door. Another watermelon, I think. You see, I don't throw away any box like this. These two are watermelon. But this one I'm gonna leave it out to cool down. Another watermelon. Then this is gonna go on the door here. This drawer at the bottom. Another one at the bottom. Okay. Parmesan cheese, salad dressing. No, this is too high. This, so you're going to go the second. Okay. Oh. Baby tomato or grape tomato, I think. Gonna put it here. You're gonna go here. Oh, sorry guys. So, oh, I was gonna forget milk out. I will find a bottle to put this milk in so I can have more space for it. Then cucumber. Gonna go here so I can see you. Okay, now it's time to review. Let's start from up. Look at that. How we did it. And go in the fridge. Guys, look. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all, but God love you more. Bye, guys.